This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom diecast racing.
This season of Road Warriors, we have 12 teams that go head to head. Points accumulate over 11 rounds. Have you got what it takes to become the champion?
Road Warrior.
Our first battle tonight in Road Warriors is from Season 1. Mr. Bean is back from the repairers. My Hot Wheels collection is driving Mr. Bean, weighing 90.4 grams. Hot Car Track is driving the Hot Wheels Super Van, weighing 86 grams. These guys were all tied on 13 points until an unfortunate accident happened to Mr. Bean. He's back, he's got a new axle, and these guys have a score to settle. It is the race for third place. Mr. Bean's fast down the back and swinging out of turn 1, and here comes Hot Car Track in that Hot Wheels Super Van. Swinging the backhand round turn 2, and he gets across in a 9.20. Maybe the Super Van needs to go into Vantastic. Both cars had a nice line in the turn 1, however it's Hot Car Track who steals the show out of that corner. Race 2 cars always swap here at Mount Western Raceway. Mr. Bean going out hard first. Hot Car Track swings. Hot Car Track's on the outside. He's got the lead and Hot Car Track's down. Mr. Bean, my Hot Wheels collection, crosses in a 10.220. Man down out of turn 2. There's Big Kevin Nige back in the finals with their tow trucks. Have a look at these two swinging around the track. My Hot Wheels collection really does that fine. Hot Car Track decides to go to the right-hand side and gets cleaned up on the corner. All squared in the last for third place from Season 1. My Hot Wheels collection has the inside driving Mr. Bean. He's gone out hard and fast and he's now coming in backwards. The Super Van picks that gap nicely and takes out the championship for third place from Season 1. And he's over on his side, he's off the track. We'll get NZ towing onto this and pick him up. That was very close down the back here. Hot Car Track seizes the opportunity, picks that gap nicely and crosses and takes out third place. My Hot Wheels collection, we will see you back on Mount Western Raceway very soon. Battle 2, Season 2. Po-Boy Racing goes up against Superman Dion. Both these cars have had a sensational season. They're fighting for third place. Po-Boy and the Nitro Door Slammer, weighing 97 grams. Superman Dion and Jonah, weighing 86 grams. These guys have been on fire all season. The green is on and they're off and racing. Superman Dion's got the advantage down the back. Both cars have spun out. Superman does a little 180. And it's Superman crosses in the first race in a 10.960. This will be very hard to pick third place out of these two teams. Have a look at Po-Boy, he just nudges the back end of Superman Dion, and that's just slowed him right down. Superman Dion is driving for Hot Wheel Boys, and this is their first ever custom entry into Road Warriors. And Jonah's out front. Superman Dion, he does that little 180 again. Po-Boy sneaking up on the inside. And Po-Boy takes it out in the 9.820, all squared out of race 2. It's the first car to take 2 points, will win third place. Nice little battle down the back here. Look at Po-Boy sneaks right inside, picks a beautiful line. All squared out of race 2. The first to win 2 will take out third place in Road Warriors Season 2. Neck and neck going down the back. Po-Boy's just got the advantage. Superman swings past him and takes it out in the 9.26. Superman Dion driving Jonah for Hot Wheel Boys takes out third place in Road Warriors. That was some serious overtaking again on that turn 2. Both teams very even. Po-Boy just in front here by car's length. Look at the line that Superman Dion takes. Beautiful driving and takes out third place for Road Warriors. Congratulations. Po-Boy Racing, thanks for entering the competition. We will see you in Season 3 of Road Warriors. Here's your third place champion, Superman Dion, driving for Hot Wheel Boys. This is it, the final battle for Road Warriors Season 2. It's the Fractal Panda and the Purple Haze, weighing in at 94 grams, going up against Big Sam, driving for Mark D of CRC Racing. He's driving the 99 X-Side NASCAR, weighing 64.9 grams. It's the first to win 3 races, takes out the championship. They're off and racing. It's the Fractal Panda going out hard and fast like he's done all season. Big Sam with an upset in the very first, cleans him up right on the line at a 9.660. Big Sam flooring it, puts his foot down and just takes him right on the line. Nice driving. Australia versus Scotland. Big Sam has the inside in the NASCAR. Very tight down the back. Fractal Panda's in front, does a big 360, and there goes the NASCAR. An easy second win for Big Sam and the NASCAR in the finals. The Purple Haze flying in after the party. Both teams deserve to win tonight, however there can only be one. You can see the Purple Haze hitting that sidewall, does that big 360, and that's just slowed him right down. Big Sam and the mighty NASCAR. He's got the inside lane. They're off and racing, and it's a Fractal Panda out hard. Big Sam's gone and blocked up the back there. It's a Fractal Panda all the way. And he hits that sidewall, and it's a man down. At this speed, when you hit the back end of someone and spin, you're gone and done and dusted. Race 4 of the finals of Road Warriors. The Fractal Panda takes the inside. There's not much in this. It's the Fractal coming out of turn 1 in front. The NASCAR down the back. It's the Purple Haze driven by the Fractal Panda. He gets across the line in a 9.540 and squares everything up in race 4. Looking at the NASCAR, he had a perfect line, but just not enough power. Hits that sidewall, and that's just lost everything for him in this race. This is it, folks, the decider. Good luck to all teams in this last race in Road Warriors Season 2. The Purple Haze out by a length. Here comes the NASCAR. It's so close, always off and over the track. The Fractal Panda, the Purple Haze, has taken out Road Warriors Season 2. These teams are battling it right out to that finish line. Look at the NASCAR, he just sees this gap and goes, I'm going to take this. Fractal Panda also sees it and pushes him off the track. Man down. We'll get NZ towing onto that. Let's go again. I wonder what the outcome would have been if the NASCAR had a clear run through to the finish line. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Road Warriors Season 2 champion, the Fractal Panda, all the way from Scotland, driving the Purple Haze. It's been a long journey, all the way from Scotland to Australia, let alone 12 rounds and 33 plus races later. The car's intact, the team's intact. Congratulations, the Fractal Panda. There's Big Sam, he's okay, we've been told. He's just been taken off to the emergency bay. What a fantastic journey Big Sam driving the NASCAR has had, driving for Mark D of CRC Racing from Australia. Big Nige and Kev there, they'll get the car back up on its feet and they'll all be celebrating tonight in the Inferno nightclub. Well done, Big Sam, driving the mighty NASCAR. Here's the final standings after round 12. On 21 points is the Fractal Panda, 20 points is Big Sam, 19 is Superman Dion, 18 is Po Boy, 15 is Redline Savage Inc., 14 is Leaper 12, 13 is Cess, 13 is Jay Woodsy Woods, 13 is Jazzy Jensen, 11 is Scoop Adams, 9 is Yo Jimbo, and taking up the back of the field is Hot Car Track on 7. A very big thank you to all teams, builders and drivers for taking part in Road Warriors Season 2. And also a big thank you to all the people that watch Hot Car Track and everything that goes on Mount Western Raceway. For without your support, none of this is possible. So until next time, I'll catch you later. These events don't happen without our sponsors, so go check them out on all their social media platforms, give them a thumbs up or make a comment down below.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom diecast racing.